How many days do you think this will last on Sandy's trailer? I give it after Truck Fest. And then we finally get to leave Sandy. Hello guys, it's Shaun Thomson and welcome back to another video. This is the second part of our Irish trip. In the last episode, me and Sandy headed over to the border and started loading up. Now it's time to finish our load and head back across the water and get it all delivered. Alright, so in the last episode we met up with Sandy at the yard, then of course he got lost.
Hello.
Sandy, you alright buddy?
Yeah, how?
Why you Ken Ryan?
Because that's what I'm getting, are we?
Stay in a line.
What?
And then once we got the right boat, we headed to Ireland, got loaded with this big massive CNC machine. Sandy was finished loading and then it was time for my turn to reverse into the bay and get loaded with my pillars and other bits and bobs. Sandy was reversing out and then it'll be my turn. Came out. Right, we're getting loaded up now. We'll go and see how big Sandale is doing. It's looking well, looking well. How you on, Sandy? What are you bubble wrapping it? Oh mate, you got a bubble wrap came on back.
you have no idea how easy you're
Bubble wrapping the corners.
See, Shaun, this is why I get asked if you could.
Hey, you asked me to bring the curtain. I brought the curtain. I did what I was told.
If you like SJM services, the link is in my bio.
Enough of that. Back to my lorry. Look at her sitting down there looking all lovely. The slow process. But we're doing it right, that's the main thing. Right, squeaky bum time now. We have 3 hours left to load before we miss our boat. Sandy's... I don't really know what Sandy's doing. Messing about. Nah, he's not. He's got to do his rope and sheet and he needs that for the height. The joys, Reverse! Oh! Right, last couple of pieces. Came on, mate. We are getting still close to crunch time here. Ferry's at 7:30. That's all that bit. All stacked and strapped away over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and used a couple of internals just to hold it. Probably doesn't look pretty, but I'm not pretty. Right. Right, I'm all loaded. Big Sandy's all loaded.
Oh, you take a video of my bad side.
Is this the bad side?
This is the bad side.
You can tell, like. Kidding on.
Sorry, Shaun. Where's your opening sheeting skills?
That sheet's at sale, that one. It's an easy sheet. Oh, yes. Wonder how long that'll last. Oh, it's here again. How many days do you think this will last on Sandy's trailer? I give it after Truck Fest.
She's stuck with me.
She's stuck. Alright, and we're heading out to the old venue. It's a bit tight in here. We should manage it. Nay, but I say tight, but I sound like a truck in UK, man. It's bags around. But there's just loads of these wee hanging down air pipe things you can see that we're just trying not to scalp. It's no good for customer relations. Alright, we're all locked and loaded, heading out. Came on back. You enjoying yourself, Phoebe? Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Let's go. Here we are. The Stena Line boat. What is this guy doing? That'd be the wrong way, sir. Now we're heading for lane 19, which will be this one right here. Came on back. Alright boys, here we go. We're heading on the boat. We're heading home! Hey! Somebody named it. Came on back. Came on. You wouldn't want to be low in here, hey? Tell you something, it's very tight in here, that's for sure. Obviously we'll just take it slow. Slow and steady wins the race, as they say. Oh, that's us. Oh, and there we are, boys. All on, all on. Let's go, Phoebe, let's go. Big loads. We're on the sail home, boys. I'll go to bed. Here we are, boys. Made it back to sunny. Fucking noise that was making. We've made it back to sunny Scotland. Came on back. Hi guys, it's next morning. Phoebe got picked up last night. She's away to the safari park, and we made it to this lay-by here, and it was horrible. Obviously with the ferry run 48 minutes late, by the time we got to this lay-by, time was gone. So we made it to just under Ballantrae, and aye. And now it's time for a wee roll in Mini Shaun. Came in back. Who the f is he beating at? Oh, here we are boys, we've almost made it. We're just waiting for the gate to open. Big Sandell is up there. And I am bursting for a jobby, to be honest. What a trip this has been, boys. We're almost home. We're all, well, I say home. We're almost offloaded. There's big sand behind there. There's big V800 Ushed. Oh my god, are you that guy from TikTok? There we go, all loaded, we've got our back load on, and then we finally get to leave Sandy. Oh, just quickly reversing past the big Scania XL. He's away to get loaded. I could stay and hang about, but I want to go and get loaded for Monday. So aye, I'll leave him to that if you obviously want to go see the offload process of that. And his whole entire video will be on Sandy James McCallum. Came on back. There we go, just getting the rest all offloaded. Came out, all closed up. Let's go and drop the trailer and pick up our load for Monday morning. That's how you do it, straight back to the yard and just get loaded already. The next load we'll obviously drop this trailer, go and pick up our digger, obviously hook up to our trailer, and aye, straight in. That's better. Right, Monday's load. There's big Keithy and the curtain that he's hired. He's done really well. He's been wiring up loads of lights and stuff on it. It looks quite nice. Apart from the freeze done down the side of it, I feel like that's too much. We got a wee loan of a Mulgrew trailer. Came on back because, you know, there isn't a large supply of them. I love these kind of deliveries, boys. I love these kind of deliveries. Big tracks. I'm not shitting myself, you know. Starting to get a wee bit sketchy now, but we're ploughing on. Alright, we're all loaded. I will show you the load. Just a new customer for myself. I thought it was tight around that corner, but we're actually alright. A new customer for myself, just trying to keep him. He knows that I do the kind of YouTube and TikToks anyways, but I don't know why, but see whenever it's a new customer or somebody I'm not familiar with, I always kind of put the GoPro to the side and focus on trying to make myself look professional kind of sometimes. Anyways, it's loaded, let's go. Hey, the bloody sat-nav took me in this tight way. Look at the way out, man. That's lovely and massive and like spacious. Rats, I hate it here. Oh, and that is us all delivered. Perfect. We've got the digger loaded up for Monday. You'll be seeing that video coming out here soon. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, we'll see you guys in the next video, where of course, we deliver that digger. Goodbye.